All right, so this is part three, and it should be pretty straightforward. I think I say straightforward way too much, so forgive me. But this time around, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding graphics to our timeline. And so let's just go ahead and do that. This one, it really couldn't be easier. So you can see that we have five graphics down here. These are all in the PNG format. And if we read them in the proper order, it says exotic adventure across the globe, and then there's a logo. So why don't we start off with the logo, and we can drag these directly to the timeline, and we're going to put that in a video layer on top of our clip layer. And so if we pull the playback head back there, you can see that the logo is sitting right on top there. Because it's a PNG, it's already has a transparent background, and so we don't have to worry about that. But if you'll notice, we trimmed each of these video clips to be right at 6 seconds, and this one is coming in at 5 seconds. But the thing is graphics are static. There's no motion involved in that. 5 seconds is just sort of the default at which Premiere will import or place a graphic onto the timeline. So it's pretty easy. I was about to say straightforward. All we need to do is grab the clip, and if you hover over the end of it, you can see that we have this little red icon down here, and that means we can kind of stretch out the graphics. So now that it matches, the length of the clip beneath it. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and just finish fleshing out those graphics. So next we have exotic. We'll stretch it out. Adventure. Stretch it out. Across. Stretch it out. The globe. And there we go. And we'll stretch it out. Okay. So, again, super easy, right? So if we take the playback head, we can kind of scrub it across the timeline, and you can see now that the transitions, well, there are no real transitions, but they butt up against each other and they match top to bottom. If we press play and we get the smooth animation in there, you can see that the graphics change with the clips beneath them. So that's pretty good. Next, in our next short video, we're going to apply some transitions to these clips so they don't slam into each other like that, okay? So stay tuned, and I'll be back pretty quick.